Hello and welcome to Narellan Auto Parts Plus. Here today we've got a 2014 RG Colorado, Holden Colorado. Two-door cab chassis, alloy tray in the back there. It's four-wheel drive, manual. Tidy little vehicle. Good tray, it's got a tow bar on the back there. Just open the back, have a quick squiz in there for you, and then we'll start it up. Not much to see in there, just plain old floor. Okay, it's got a couple of good doors, a bonnet, left headlight, and I'll just jump in here. Plain grey cloth trim, as it says manual four-wheel drive, 98,258 kilometres on the clock, and we'll start it up for you. Away we go. Airbags haven't gone off, 6-speed four-wheel drive. This door's alright, just scuff marks on there, no denting that we can tell of at the moment. Got good tyres, pop the bonnet for you, the bonnet's good, the grill looks good. Looks like the mudguard's okay too, and the door's got a little ding there. March 14. There it is. Colorado for dismantling. I'll just get the compliance plate in the other door for you. There we go. Okay, so if you need any Colorado parts or any other parts for that matter, give us a call on that number up there. 02 4646 1733, and the Parts Plus guys will be only too pleased to help you out. Alright, thanks for watching and bye for now.